Hey everyone, we hope you're doing well. In this video, we're just going to walk you through how we're going to create our interactive light reader to light a path for people, but the one that doesn't really distract the turtles at all. So the first steps you're going to do is click into your browser and you are going to go to makecode.com. If you just type that in, one word, makecode.com, it'll take you to our website that we're going to do all our programming in. Now, within MakeCode, you can use this site for a plethora of things. It's free, open source. You can use it for any time. But for today, we're just going to be using the microbit. So if you click on the picture of the microbit, which is in the middle, that will set you up for success for where we're going to run our program. Now, we are going to go a little fast in the video, and that's because you will be able to stop it and create this yourself and stop and pause whenever you need. So on the far left hand side, we're going to get started by clicking the new project icon with the little plus sign. And then you're just going to give your project a name. For right now, we'll just call it Turtle. I'm going to call it Turtle 2 because I already have one called Turtle. And then just hit the green create button. And this will take us right to our code editing window. Now the first thing we're going to do is delete our on start block because we don't actually need this block at all. We just need the forever block. So we're going to take our on start block, click on that and drag it over top of the drawers, and you'll see that there's a garbage icon that appears, and just remove your hand and it will delete the block for you. So this will leave so you have your forever block. So if you ever want to blow up your screen or shrink it, it'll help maybe make the code blocks a little more visible. I'm just going to hit the zoom in just so it makes it so I can see this a little bit easier. So now I'm going to do something forever. So what I'm going to do forever is I'm going to click the teal colored logic drawer. And right underneath conditionals, you're going to see the second one down, if true, then else block. So I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to place it right inside of the forever loop. Now the next step is going to be to find a comparison block. So you're going to click on that teal logic drawer again. And if you scroll down to comparison, you'll see a 0 equals 0 block. We're going to click and drag this, and you can see the shape will fit perfectly right over top of the true. But when you're telling the students, please make sure that you're going slowly from the left-hand side. And when you see this little arrow or line connector rather, it'll tell you that it's safe to drop in place now. So simply drop it in place. So forever if 0 equals 0. Great. Now what we're going to do is we have to look at the light level. And where we're going to find the light levels by clicking on the fuchsia colored input drawer. And if you scroll down until you see the fuchsia colored light level, I'm going to get you to click and drag this and place it over the first 0 on the left hand side. So if light level equals 0, that's what it says now, but we're going to change the equal sign. So click on the little right hand arrow right next to the equal sign, and we're going to change this to greater than. So go down, or less than, sorry. So go down to the third one from the top. If light level is less than, and we're going to type in this 0, 100. So this means if light level is less than 100, we are going to show an image of a turtle. So to do that, I'm going to click on my blue basic drawer. I'm going to grab this show LED block. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and just illuminate whatever block I want to light up. So for me to make this turtle, I'm just going to click on each one of these blocks. So here, I'll click on this one to illuminate it. I'm going to click on a few. Students will be really good at this, a lot better than us. And then here we go. So now I have my turtle. This means forever if light level is less than 100, meaning it's like it's a little dark out there, then you're going to see this like turtle. And then we're just going to add a clear screen feature. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to click on our blue basic drawer again. And we're going to scroll down until we see the clear screen. And now we're just going to add that in the else. And that's your first program. So we hope that's helpful. Take a look, but know we have all this information in the slides as well.